Aha, welcome back. Sardine news. With the shadow not biting and the action is not too hot, it's actually chilly all over the place. But anyway, if you want to catch shad, you're in the right place. We're going to tell you what's going on all over the show. We've got Alan in Port Shepstone and Stephen in Port Edward, and we're also going back up to Mozambique. Can you believe it? And we're going to discuss the conditions and the weather coming up. But before we start off, let's talk family. If you love this ocean vibe, shad, sardines, any sea news, smash that like button, hit subscribe, join the Sardine News Hotline group. Yeah, I got a script for a change. This is where the news comes first, straight from all my coastal spies out the place before it goes out to the world. So if you really want to know what's going on, become a part of the hotline. You can join on our YouTube channel. That's the easiest way. Or you can go to the Sardine News and buy a subscription. $60 a month. Save you so much petrol and so much time. You'll actually know what's going on, and you're also allowed to contact the people in the Sardine News group, the spies, like my guys, all over the place, and they'll help you get to the fish without telling the whole world. That's the other thing. You can't tell anybody that's what you find in the Sardine group hotline. Okay, let's go and chat to Alan. Shot Alan.
At Station Bay again. I think maybe one shad came out here in the last hour. When I was at the block, I saw 3 come out, one nice size, and then I heard it went dead. So I'm not sure what's going on, but the water's perfect for shad. Beautiful. Picked up a small krill, or whatever we want to call it, on the beach, so maybe there's bait fish around. Anyway, I'm sure it's going to improve. It can't get much worse. It's gone quiet. Enjoy your day.
Thanks, Alan. Let's go chat to Stephen. Thank you, Stephen.
Good morning, Steve from Splash Rock, Port Edward. Bit of a different view of things today. On the right-hand side, got a few fishermen out there. I saw one shad come out. They are coming out, but not by the dozen, if you know what I mean. I'll go look at the other side and report back from there. This is the northerly viewpoint of Splash Rock. Like I said, the shad are coming out, but one, nothing to write home about. So the sea's looking brilliant. Northeast making a bit choppy. No way left of where we were. Looking towards the swimming beach through my dirty visor, windscreen, sorry. Sea's looking nice. Even here at Lucky Dip, there's no one fishing, so I don't know what's going on. Very few people fishing today.
Okay, yeah, so shad fever is about full speed, but there's not too much going on. Lots of oaks driving around the place aimlessly, but yeah, like I said, throw a line in the places you might not see anybody. Maybe you're the first one there and you're going to catch a shad. You don't have to just hang around and wait for others to catch shad and then follow them. It doesn't work like that. Okay, but anyway, back to Dwight and Dario. Dwight Jr., they're up there with mom and dad, Dwight and Greta, at BD Point having a bit of a holiday because Dwight fishes full-time, I think, as a sport fisher, out off Vilanculas. Rough oceans out there, Bazaruto and that, make no mistake. But okay, and it's miles. Anyway, they've been hammering the Couta on light tackle off the beach, and today they did it again. So they're getting another mention. Yeah, some videos. They're also catching garfish and all kinds of stuff. But check those conditions. And if you ever think you can take your kids or your family to a better place, I'm not sure. For Couta on light tackle and all kinds of weird things going on there. Even Dwight Jr. caught a miner when he was 8 off a dhow during COVID because we couldn't go fishing in those days. But yeah, BD's Point's got it all. It's very safe. It's very cool. And yeah, get in touch, on the sardine.co. So just get in touch with me if you want to go up there. We'll work it out. All right, conditions, not too bad. We've got 2 days of good weather coming up. And then we've got a nice southwest coming. Might be a buster again. And then we've got more good weather coming. I even saw the mentioned 27 somewhere along the line. I don't know. Well, spring's around the corner, but yeah, it's been cold. All right, so thank you very much for watching. Let's check all the MYDO stuff along the way there. That's how you catch those shad when they're not going mad. And also you catch Couta and sailfish and dorado and marlin and all that kind of stuff on our kit. You can check it all out on the sardine.co/MYDO. Thanks for playing. Ciao, ciao.